Holy shit, that was fucking fantastic. Muchas gracias! Thank you very much! And we thought the boat was fun. What the fuck? This was fun! You guys are fucking loud! Holy shit. Seriously, we want to come back as soon as possible, maybe with a new album. Would be great. You all want to be here? So, did you have fun? No, you didn't have fun? No, you want to hear more? Do you want to hear more? Okay, so from Puerto Rico, show me all of your hands. Only the hands, no screaming yet. Screaming comes later, just the hands.